Hello friends, welcome to my channel Adventure RC. So friends, today I am going to unboxing a new product, MN-82 model. This is a crawler. So friends, let's open the box to see the looks of this crawler. It comes in very good packing, well packed. So friends, now you can check the look. It's a very beautiful RC crawler. So friends, this is MN-82 model, available in three colors: dark red, desert yellow, and silver. The silver color MN-82 is comes in Pro version only. So friends, let's check the specification of this crawler. This is a 1:12 scale model, 4 by 4 ready to run version. A very beautiful, good looking RC crawler. It comes with 7.4 volt 500 mAh rechargeable battery. The running time of this crawler is 15 to 20 minutes per recharge. It comes in fixed body shell and having working bonnet and load compartment. Doors are fixed. You can check out its interior cabin. It's powered by DC motor, which can be provided the speed of 12 km per hour. Servo is very small, but it's work properly. This is 4 by 4 powered supply, and all axle and drive shafts are made up of hard plastic. It's a single chassis model. Rubber tires are having very good grips. Now check about its suspension. It comes with shocks absorber and hard leaf springs in rear axle. Due to leaf springs, this crawler is capable to carry load of 2 kg very easily. Manufacturer is provide the smooth finish to enhance its look. Now let's check its transmitter. Transmitter comes with 2.4 GHz frequency, which is support the connection within 15 meters area. It's having setting of main headlight, switch on and switch off, and also having two power mode, low speed and high speed. This is the steering trim. So friends, let's do the power on and check out the performance of this crawler. Now it's connected. This is low speed. Now check on it high speed. This is the full speed. Now, now we can check the speed of this crawler. This is the slow speed mode. And now check out the high speed. Here are some accessories along with this vehicle. You get the charger, some stickers, other accessories. I'll upload modification video with all these accessories very soon. So friends, stay tuned to my channel Adventure RC Era to enjoy such kind of videos. I'll make more and more off-roading speed testing and modification of this RC car. So thanks for watching. Shall meet in next video soon. Keep comment, keep watching, like, share, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep enjoying. Thank you.